Today, we introduce the all-new RYOBI 40V HP brushless 20-inch hybrid Whisper Series air cannon, the industry's largest and most powerful battery-operated cordless fan. 40V HP technology delivers a powerful 6,300 CFM of airflow on high that can be felt at an astonishing 60 feet away, making this air cannon the ideal cooling solution on the job site, in the backyard, at the tailgate, and more. Part of the Whisper series, this fan delivers maximum airflow with none of the unnecessary noise. With best-in-class noise reduction, this 20-inch air cannon operates at just 58 decibels on high and 40 decibels on low. Completely customize the airflow to meet your needs with 3 speed settings and precisely set the direction of the airflow with a 180-degree pivoting head. Designed from the ground up with portability in mind, the durable metal construction, 6-inch all-terrain wheels, and multi-position handle ensure this air cannon can make the journey anywhere you go. This 20-inch air cannon has up to 34 hours of cordless runtime when utilizing a 40V 12 amp hour battery or using the hybrid functionality, plug any extension cord in for unlimited runtime. Part of the RYOBI 40V system, this air cannon is just one of over 85 tools that all operate on RYOBI 40V batteries. The all-new 40V HP brushless 20-inch hybrid Whisper Series air cannon will be available in a tool-only configuration starting February 2024, exclusively at the Home Depot and HomeDepot.com.